everyone, guess what? Today I've been waiting for this episode because this is my birthday episode. And as you can see, it's Barbie themed. So today our topic is dressing like Barbie, even if you're an older woman. Sometimes we want to have fun. Sometimes we want to dress up. We're going to a party. We're going to an event. Whether or not there's a theme, sometimes we just really want to be fancy. And the question is, how fancy can we go? How dressed up can we be so that we're not overdressed, right? Welcome to my channel. My name is Jackie D. My goal is to empower you to feel good about yourself, to find your better version. So I post feel-good videos, motivational videos, inspiring videos, and I talk about filmmaking and of course health and wellness. So today, as you can see, this is my attire for today, and I actually made this. So I'm gonna come up with an episode showing a tutorial of how I made this skirt. I actually bought this fabric on sale, so really cool. I go like, oh my gosh, nobody's buying from this store. I'm glad I got this fabric, so I got it right away. And I made it into a skirt and this bow. It's my birthday episode, so I thought I should dress up really well. So let's dive into how women can dress up elegantly, chic, even if they're older. You'll notice that I don't have any jewelry because I already have these earrings, and because my skirt is a little bit shimmery, so that should be enough shimmer. Well, you can still put like fine bracelet maybe when you're wearing something as dressy as this. Well, I already have this top, so it's older, so I thought I'm not gonna make it hard for myself, so I'm just gonna sew my skirt. After all, I think I feel good, and that's the goal. You want to feel good about yourself. If this is your first time, I hope you subscribe to my channel. I hope you'll find the episode fun and entertaining, and I hope that you're feeling better already. I know there are a lot of fashion gurus out there, but I talk about fashion by using the clothes you have, mixing and matching whatever clothes you have there, right? You don't have to spend so much. You don't have to go out of your way, spend thousands of dollars, go to big stores and buy big brands. No, you can actually look really chic and elegant, even with your older clothes or clothes that are actually very affordable. So because this is actually a Barbie themed episode, because it's my birthday episode. My birthday is August 20th. And it's my 62nd birthday. Can you believe? 6 decades plus 2 years. 62. And I'm very proud of my age. I am very grateful for how far I've come, and that at this age, I'm healthy and happy, and I have stamina, I have energy, and I have so much motivation to share inspiration, because I believe that we all can be awesome. So if you think you're too old, this woman is 62. So there you go. Number one, Barbie loves vibrant colors. As you can tell, this is very bright pink, which is hot pink, which is Barbie pink. They also call it Mattel Barbie pink. And I've been actually researching about fashion for next year, and Barbie pink is still going to be really in. So if you haven't grabbed your bright pink, go grab your fabric, go buy your dress, or whenever clothes are on sale and it's in this color, grab them, because you want to feel that, you know what, even if we're older, we're still in. So bright pink, bright blue, bright yellow, bright green. Green is also going to be in 2024. So grab your bright green. Number two, play with prints. Be adventurous with prints. In the movie, Barbie wore this retro color, like yellow green with yellow, pink, blue, you know, pastel, bright pastel. She even wore neon colors. So don't ignore those clothes that have bright colored prints. You can have big florals. I know they said don't wear big florals when you're small, because I'm 5'2", so I will wear those bright florals. So big prints, because Barbie uses them, or you can also use those small prints, which I would say is more appropriate for us, especially if you're petite, small, dainty prints and light colors. Next one, look for clothes that accentuate your feminine silhouette, like A-line clothes or balloon skirts, very feminine. You have those flares, those off shoulders with ruffles that show your shoulder bone, very feminine. Use that to your advantage. Next tip, high heels. They don't have to be 4-inch stilettos. They can be 3 inches or even 2.5. I'd say 2 is already low. So wear high heels. You don't have to wear heels all the time, but have a couple with you. If you work in the office, have a pair of nude and black high heels so that you can go there in flats. And then when you have to, you have a meeting or you're going around and you want to look good, you want to elevate your look, then you have spare shoes in your office. Like I go to work, I have a 9-to-5 corporate job. So I do have a pair of nude heels and a pair of black heels because I want to be ready for whatever. But here, for this special episode, I'm wearing my pink Barbie heels. They're by My Story. I actually bought them on sale because Hudson's Bay is closing that part of town. So I was there from $80 to $19. Like, you can't go wrong, right? So there you go. I think they're very feminine. Matches the dress. Number 5, add some sparkle. Barbie loves sparkles, like, her earrings. And then when she's wearing these gowns and evening wear, she has lots of glitter. So a little sparkle here and there, like a pair of earrings, or maybe you can have something on your head. This one, you can have this. I love this one. I've had this for years. You can put it on here. Look like you're Audrey Hepburn. I'm not going to wear a necklace for this one because it's already close to the neck, but maybe a very fine jewelry. Otherwise, I love my earrings. I'm good. So yeah. Number 6, accessorize wisely. They say minimalism is good, of course. So maybe if you want to wear something huge, like you want to have a statement necklace, just that. I will probably not wear earrings anymore if I have a huge necklace there, or if you have a huge bangle there, something very fine. So accessories are awesome. They add that pizzazz to your attire, right? Like if you're very plain, your clothes are very plain, or you're wearing one black dress and then you have a gold bracelet, then definitely it elevates your look. One of my favorite topics is hair. Why? Because I have thinning hair. So I do have my real hair underneath. Sometimes I keep my hair down. Sometimes I wear hair extensions so that my hair looks thicker and more manageable. And this one I'm wearing a ponytail, but it's a hair extension. See? So that's why I like talking about hair, because when we talk about physical features, my confidence comes from hair and skin. If my hair is not very put together, I will definitely wear hair extensions or tie it up in a bun so that I look proper. Yeah, and then skin. But yes, as far as this episode is concerned, definitely experiment with your hair. Ponytail, keep it down, color, have some highlights, change your hairstyle once in a while. Maybe you have your division on the side, and then maybe you can have your division at the center, wear bangs, whatever it is that adds versatility to your appearance. Because it's always nice when you step in and they go like, something's new, or they go like, wow, you look awesome. Sometimes when you just had a change in your hair, right? Yeah, experiment with your hair. They say that your hair is your crowning glory. Definitely. It elevates your look. Plus, it gives you that added confidence. It does make me really confident. And of course, as I always mention in all of my social media platforms, be confident. Your confidence, your smile, they are the best things you'll have on yourself. Nothing will beat the power of a smile. And when you sit straight, you have good posture, you exude confidence. Not necessarily authority, but you look like you are ready for the day. I hope you're enjoying my episode. If you do, give it a like and don't forget to share and comment. Let me know if this episode helped you. Let me know if you're not very comfortable wearing glitzy or bright colors, and if this episode at least inspired you to maybe give that a try. I hope you'll check out my other episodes. I do have an episode where I tried blue eyeshadow, and I've never used blue eyeshadow before because I was scared that it was not going to match my skin tone. But actually, I had a surprise of my life. So check that episode because that's another wear bright thing episode that I'd like you to actually look at. So thank you again for watching, and thank you for joining me in my birthday episode. This is my Barbie themed birthday episode, and I thought I should share with you tips on how we can dress in a very glamorous fashion, and we can still look chic, we can look upbeat and updated even if we're older. So have a great Barbie day, and I hope that you will feel good about yourself every single day. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, The Real D, and I also have a fun TikTok, which is The Real D, and Twitter is The Real D. You can also find me on Facebook, Building Self-Esteem on Social Media, and LinkedIn, my real name, Jackie D, and of course, this YouTube channel. I hope that you can subscribe and say hi. I post feel-good episodes, content about filmmaking, about feeling confident, about looking good on social media, because that's our goal. We have to feel good and look good, especially because social media can be very negative. But we got it. You got it. We got each other. Bye for now.